anak, ano? Oh, you must be hungry. You eat with your daddy. I don't know what food did he take out.
Chicken.
You beg for all you.
Inasal.
You share with his food, anak.
Eat some inasal, anak.
Daddy, can I share your food? Can you give me some of your food like that? And he will say, Or with Alex, anak ko. Alex don't finish his food sometimes. I would say, oh sure. Wait lang, anak, ah. This one, oh. This is artificial halo-halo, anak.
Artificial. It's plastic.
This is not the exact halo-halo. It's just a taste halo-halo. You know, sometimes people are...
There's a guy behind me honking and I want to know why. Did you hear him? Beep, beep, beep.
He's signaling you to... Oh, maybe the trunk is open. Can you pull over? Over there? Oh, headset. Thank you! Thank you.
I put it there because it was in Joaquin's chair. I couldn't put Joaquin in the chair and I didn't know what to do with my headset. Besides put it on top and I forgot.
Thank you, Alice, for taking care of my baby.
It's pretty amazing that they didn't fall off before that.
This one, anak ko.
I don't know what you were talking about before. Maybe you were explaining to me how it's artificial.
Oh.
I don't know.
I mean, you know, like if you're making a brand dish, and people just want to, they don't have that much ingredients to make it to copy it exactly, and there's like, oh, just put like this and like that, and then it will tastier. It's like sometimes adobo, just put soy and vinegar, that's it. This halo halo, they just put some
So it's not like
not branded halo halo, you know.
it's low quality or
It's not a signature.
Hmm.
It's like yeah, example adobo. When you cook adobo and then just add soy sauce to it, look like adobo and vinegar, or it tastes like adobo without onion or some kind of spices and everything and all that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it now. Okay.
And then one more that I commented to Chris at the right. She asked to ano for kare kare, and then I bought her what's called carrot, and you just without washing it and then without peeling it, you just chop it and then he said, oh, that's it. Really? My gosh, you found and then he said, it's okay for me if you wash it first, you know, so that you can the whole thing, so that you can wash it very well and thoroughly. This one, anyways, by the way, one day, someday, I will make halo halo for you, Elias. The I will the signature halo halo.
Okay.
But I have to buy ice cracker.
Oh, I saw that there at that store where Joaquin was playing in the tent.
Oh really?
It was right there next to the tent. It said Ice Crusher.
I will buy the ice crusher. Wow. So that you know what I am talking about. It's a real
You put condensed or something?
yeah, condensed, but the it's like you have to put fruits.
Mm-hmm.
Fruits like that, banana, sweet potato,
Oh, sweet potato?
coconut, what's called this one that they put, yeah, and the ube, the violet one.
I guess your halo halo tastes good though, since you keep eating it, even if it's fake or whatever. I'm not honking, see? If I was Magdalena's daughter, I would honk 3 or 4 times until people come.
Nagalap siya.
hear them. I'm sometimes sitting over there at the table. I hear beep 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 beep. Open a gate for me. Beep 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 beep.
And Magdalena's high blood one time when we were just moving here, and he's lecturing his helper. You know, the 20 years she's not yet. She did not go home yet. She says, "What are you doing here for? I'm the one who will go and open the gate for my